Hey everybody, it's Marcus Medina. Today I'm going to be going over my project in Photoshop. It's a book cover that I'm working on. Here it is right here. It's called Pueblo's Finest, and what it is, it's a biography about myself. I used a picture of myself in the main front cover as well as the back cover. It's the same image, just stretched upon both. What I did was I added a opaque rectangle that was black, but I just took out the opacity to, let's see, I think I made it to, let's see, rectangle. I made it about 62% on each one. There's 3 of them. I wrote the writing inside, that way it was cleaner against an image. I didn't want it to be rough against an image, that way it was hard to read, so what I did was outline the text. I put the hierarchy Pueblo's Finest as the title, that way that's the first thing they see. I manipulated this image a few times. What I did was I took out the color back here, made it black and white, and then I just highlighted myself, and it led me to like a reddish hue. It was this backpack was the main thing. Let's see if I could show you. So it was just the backpack was like kind of like the only color, and the skin tone. But what I did was I just enhanced the backpack and added just a few drips, that way it was, kind of illustrated. I didn't want to just use a non-licensed image, so I just used my own. I added some text right here. Here's my story. This is my synopsis. My spine. I rotated the text, that way when it's laying down, it's easy to read. I then added my name so the viewers can see. So, here's my project, and I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.